That is a beauty. I got a intercooler for the twin turbo. The other one wasn't gonna work out as planned. So this one got the 2 inlets and 1 outlet. 2 on this side, 1 on this side. Got that just in case I want to use it. It's the timing cover with 2 fittings for the oil return. Got a couple of cool little LS plates. Little bulkhead connection for the Holley Terminator. Dang, more! The swap brackets I'd ordered before were some relocation brackets, and that pushed the alternator a little too close to the turbo header. So I got some more that are stock mount, and it came with a pulley, spacers, brackets. See if this works, hopefully. Worst case, if it doesn't, well, I have in here a water pump, power steering pump, and an alternator and bracket from a 4th gen F body. And I'll just go with that spacing instead. 6AN90, another fitting, and a fuel gauge I can have on the rail. And I got some little caps that can cap it off. But in between these, I'll have the other fitting, that way I can connect to the Holley Terminator. Oil feed line and fittings. I got 2 kits, 1 each turbo. The connection USB to CAN, connect to the Holley, computer to Holley. These were supposed to be some heme joints, but for some reason I ordered it and I thought it was coming with a rod, but it didn't. So I can save that for something else. And I got a set of 4 like this. These are 7 inches with some adjustability. Then I have 2 per turbo, or that's the plan. To complete the exhaust, I got 2 more 60s and 2 30s. That should be able to connect me to an X pipe that I have. And that'll run, I'll use the existing exhaust to run just before the axles and put some turn downs. A kit for the throttle cable for the throttle body. This is the bracket, and this is an adapter out of wedge between the throttle body and the intake manifold. The truck cable that I pulled from the junkyard was coming up a little short, so I got this universal one from Jigs. It's a 4 foot. It should be a little too long, and I'll be able to cut it down to size. This is a pipe with a flange already attached to it for the blow-off valve. A couple of breathers I picked up from the auto store. Got a tap to be able to remote mount the power steering reservoir. Not really needed for the swap, but these look cool, so why not? Also, a little Forza reference. Also not needed for the swap, but this is gonna be pretty damn cool. It's a horn that throws like a screaming eagle sound. I think that goes good, you know, Firebird Trans Am. Also not specifically needed for the swap, but this is gonna help a little. A bead roller for the pipe. Got all the intercooler piping. May need to cut some down the size and put another roll on it, another bead on it. Now hopefully this time is the last order for parts. We'll find out more as we get a little more of the car complete. Well, also I ordered a transmission crossmember that didn't come in. It was supposed to possibly come in today. It may come in when it's a little too late, and just have to catch that next time.